The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. We are doing Harmony 1 update from yesterday. I hope you got that video with you. It's looking very nice. So I thought, why not do an update on it? So we're gonna say a little bit of what's actually happening and where this is actually going. So, but before we start there, before we go there, I just made a Bitcoin video before this video, and I think you guys should watch it because there's no notifications on it, so you have to go to the web page, click it. But if Bitcoin is gonna do what Bitcoin is gonna do today, this is gonna be one of the biggest move that's coming right now for next month or two or something like that. So do check that out, that video. It's pretty interesting. Anyways, let's get into the charts. Make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and see what's actually happening with Harmony. So yesterday we did a video down here at 117. This candle was all the way down here, right? And we said it's very important to close this candle above 0.70 because that will mean we get above this level over here. Not only that, we did not close above that. We closed above this here as well, 0.80. Not only that, we closed above all-time high here at what's that? That's 0.19. Now the price is 0.21. It's insane. I actually, to be honest with you, I didn't think we're gonna go to 0.19 in one day. So I said like the bullish scenario is just closing above 0.70, and the next day maybe we're gonna test the top or something like that, but we closed above it. It's beautiful. So this is totally broken. Right now we are looking this as support, and not only that, we are actually already confirmed this as support. You can see this wick down here. When we went up here, we went all the way up to the 0.21, then we retraced back and we retraced even more, and then we got back up here, and now we are above this 0.90 line. So holding above the 0.90 line, that's gonna be important for today, but I think that's very doable, especially since we closed above the line already. So we already broke this resistance and we tested with the wick, so it's looking very good. Moving averages also looking very nice. Let's just see the volume is in non-existence, everything. Moving averages, you can see here that price is actually pushing the price is still climbing on the 10 moving average, and that's super nice. You can see here climbing on the 10 moving average, right? And then here you get this big correction before it gets above the 10 moving average. 10 moving average, that's the white line. You can see clearly how it climbs on the 10 moving average, and now it got support on the 10 moving average, and it's continue climbing on the 10 moving average. So we can only assume that continuous climb will be on the 10 moving average and not the 20 moving average, because 20 moving average is getting hit on the corrections. On the move up, it's just climbing the 20 moving average, but before that we got we have a while to go. You can see here on this move over here, when the price went up, then hit the 10 moving average and went up. The new high did not exceed the previous high. You can see here did not get above the previous high, and then we broke the 10 moving average and went all the way down to the 20 moving average. That's not happening right now. That's not happening right now. What's happening right now, I'm going to show you. What's happening right now is that we went up, we went down, hit the 10 moving average and went above the previous high, which confirms that this is still uptrend and not a correction. So we don't fear that this is gonna break down and go down to the 20 moving average. We don't think that's gonna happen. That's assumption, because that's assumption, and assumptions are bad in tech analysis because it can actually turn and go down further down. Anything can happen in crypto, but probability is that this should continue further up. Let's look at it on 4 hours and see how it looks, because it went like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green candles in a row. 8 green candles in a row. You can see here it's retracing back now, maybe even retesting this top over here. But we got above the, on the daily we got above the previous all-time high 0.90, and now it's continuing up. So I have a full faith that this is going to continue up. How high up, that might be the question. I'm gonna give you one very quick resistance line. Now there are actually 2 or 3, but we can look at the big one. We can look at the big one. First of all, there's let me use magnet for this one. There is this one over here. It's not very high up, it's only at 27, that's like 30% up if I'm not mistaken, 28%, yeah, 28% up, but it's only 2 touches up here. Then I'm thinking more lines that this is a correct line, maybe something down here, but it doesn't hit over here, but something should be something like this, I think. Something like this, give or take, because it hits these lines. So something like this should be actually the resistance on the way up, because these tops are hitting it all the time. So right now, if we just look at this resistance line, because there are a ton of trend lines in any chart, and some are more important than others, and this looks like some kind of local top over here. So when you start going up here, we might see some hit at 0.38. How much is that up? That's up like 50%, something like that, which is in the ballpark area of other coins I've did today, like BitTorrent and Cardano, and they also like got 50-60% way up to the next resistance line. So that might be a thing. But what I'm going to tell you, if this resistance line is broken on the upside and we get some kind of retest on it, then it's gonna go start parabolic. I think then it's gonna go start really parabolic. So you have to watch out for that and try to catch that move. That's gonna be insane. But right now you can see here on the 4-hourly we got support on the 50 moving average when it bounced above the 10 and 20 moving average and started going higher up. Let's go back to the daily chart and just say a quick word about MACD. It was looking to go bearish over here and then change, and now we are still full bullish because we got where is our bullish cross? Down here. We got bullish cross down here after we went and tested the 20 moving average. We got this bullish cross, and we have been riding bullish cross for a month now, and it looks like it's going to continue further up. So everything nice. And you can see here that once we got to this level up here, we hit something like 90 RSI, something like that. So we had to have this small sideways movement to put the RSI down at some livable levels, and 75 on the daily is very nice. I'm betting the weekly as well. Weekly is a little high, I think. Weekly is 94, so I don't know how much this can go before this 94, 95 has to correct, but it's gonna, next time it corrects, it's gonna be like this. You're gonna have like 2 weeks of correction, but I don't think that's gonna come this week. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't think that's gonna come this week. It might be going all the way up to 30 or something like that, and then have correction. Of course, don't take my word for it. Everything can change on the dime. You know, it's just technical analysis. It's just probabilities. You got two football teams playing, and one team has a better chance of beating the other team, but it doesn't say that the small team cannot turn things around, you know. Thanks for watching. Check out again the Bitcoin video. Subscribe to the channel if you liked Harmony. We're gonna do more Harmony soon again. See how it's going. Also like the video if you liked the video, and leave a comment. Why not? Thanks for watching. See you around tomorrow. Bye bye.